Vacuum casting is a cross-industry go-to alternative to 3D printing for small series production of functional plastic parts, as well as for high-quality prototypes and end-use parts. These benefits, along with its cost-effectiveness and wide range of materials and finishes, make vacuum casting a perfect fit for industries such as automotive, industrial goods, and medtech. Let's take a look at how it works. As the name implies, the process involves casting silicone around a master copy. The master copy for the mold is typically printed using stereolithography to ensure a high-quality surface finish. To avoid the formation of bubbles in the casting process, this is done partially under vacuum. This process causes the silicone to harden or cure until it can be cut according to predefined parting planes and the master is removed. The cavity you're left with then allows you to make copies. The affordability and accuracy of vacuum casting often make it the technology of choice for concept models and small series of final, functional parts. It's an obvious choice for prototyping because of the similarities many vacuum casting materials share with the injection molded alternatives. If vacuum casting sounds like a fit for your projects, then you're in luck, because there's a wide range of materials and finishes available. This means being able to pick and choose based on the properties you're looking for, as well as if color or a transparent finish is needed. When you start designing for vacuum casting, there are a few key points to keep in mind. 1. For best results, the ideal wall thickness is between 1 mm and 5 mm. 2. The size of the mold is limited by the dimensions of the vacuum chamber and the volume of the product. 3. If your design has a logo or text, the ideal height for printing on the master is 0.25 mm. This will ensure it appears clearly in the mold. There you have it, the 3D printed adjacent technology, vacuum casting. Next time your project involves small series production of functional plastic parts or high-quality prototypes with an impressive look and feel, make sure that vacuum casting is at the top of your list.